If your mornings look like a mad dash, you need the Keurig K-Mini in your life. This tiny powerhouse can brew your perfect cup in just 5 minutes. Yep, you heard that right. 5 minutes from zero to caffeinated. Whether you're juggling emails, kids, or just can't handle mornings, the K-Mini's got your back. Just pop in a pod, hit the button, and boom, liquid motivation on demand. Plus, it's super compact, so it'll fit right in your cluttered kitchen, dorm room, or even your office desk. No more coffee shop lines or expensive lattes. So, next time you're in a rush, skip the stress and get your caffeine fix faster with the Keurig K-Mini. Because mornings are tough enough without bad coffee. Stay sharp, stay caffeinated, and stay awesome. Remember, 5 minutes to the perfect brew, thanks to Keurig K-Mini. Your morning miracle worker. Click the link above to get your Keurig K-Mini now.